Important work, some 250 miles above Earth, but their training happens right here in Space City.
The next group of astronauts heads to the International Space Station in September, and today they spoke at the Johnson Space Center about that mission and also about the future of NASA and their dream jobs. Channel 2's Ryan Korsgaard joining us live now from the Johnson Space Center with the story. Ryan?
Now keep in mind, when they launch in September, it will actually be on a Russian rocket, not one of them here in the United States. And one thing they have to learn all along the way is really how to work and play in a relatively small area. Two NASA astronauts who live here in Houston and one Russian cosmonaut prepare to ride a Russian-built rocket to the International Space Station.
I always thought of astronauts as superheroes, and I put that becoming an astronaut in the same category as me becoming a professional football player or becoming Spider-Man. It was something that I just didn't think was possible.
They have a 5-month mission working on about 250 science experiments that are impossible in the gravity of the Earth. What they learn could prepare for much longer flights, like a possible trip to Mars. It would be a long trip with cramped conditions.
Really today, when we're looking at hiring astronauts, we want people that are nice, because we have to live together for 6 months in a 5-bedroom house.
Space station astronauts have already installed adapters to get ready for future commercial flights. Within a few years, the United States hopes to again launch our U.S. astronauts on U.S.-built rockets designed by private companies.
And it's going to free up NASA to travel further away. If we can hire people to provide a service for us, to get us back and forth to low Earth orbit, then we can focus on extending our capabilities further and further away from the Earth.
I'll tell you what, talking to them, they all really seem like friends. They all seem to get along. That's a good thing. They say they will spend about 5 months in space and return to Earth in February. We're live at JSC. Ryan Korsgaard, KPRC, Channel 2 News.